Welcome to another episode of Busy Fishing. We are back in the sea with King of Boat again. At $80 per pack or $400 for the entire boat, King of Boat offers an affordable offshore fishing experience in Singapore. In this episode, we are with our friends and their kids for a fun offshore fishing adventure.
Oh, mango jack. Yay, first fish.
Wow! First one of the day.
The fish called chicky or your prawn?
My prawn.
Your prawn. Then what's the name of the fish?
Tighten it.
Oh, gone.
Oh.
Good try. Nice, good muscles. Eh? Gone.
Gone, yeah. You don't mind there?
Wow, the smallest grouper ever.
Where? Oh, wow. Hello.
You see?
The gills, look at the gills, Jason, the reddish.
See, this is the gills. See the mouth so big. But this one is too small, okay, so we'll release this. Is that you release the fish? Release back?
Yes.
Okay, say bye bye to the fish.
You hold use two hands.
Careful,
Careful. No need scared.
This way. Hold the bottom one, Faki.
You just hold like that.
Hold like that.
Open your mouth.
Open
Your hand
hand.
come.
Okay, release back.
Goodbye.
Oh, see, I caught a small fish. Aramugam.
Is that even smaller?
Yeah.
Even smaller grouper. I want to.
You want to release?
You want to release? Want to release the fish? Okay, you hold the fish. Okay. Okay, you release. Oh, wow, okay lah. Finger mark snapper can. Bring up. Yes. Okay, finger mark, small one.
What's that black thing on it?
This is a
是哦，对吗？
不会可以 finger mark snapper.
哦。
Huh. This is a sea bass, but Wagyu sea perch. Very small one. Oh, bye.
掉了。
要了，不要紧啊，太小只了，太小只了。太小了。对。Oh, another one.
Another one, same one.
早上。
可以给它吃了就好吃了。
这 use deep prawn or live prawn?
Deep prawn.
Deep prawn 啊。
是笑妈妈先。
Yes. Yes.
In front of it.
Oh.
There you go.
Done.
You just had fried rice, right? Fried rice. Yeah, fried rice.
What one? What is that?
What's that fish? Whoa!
Oh, okay, wait. What's this? 拿进来先，拿进来先。Oh, this one is
From what?
这个是我忘记这个名字噻。不是 Emperor 这个，鲶鱼啊。哇，看不啦，鱼来了。
You see, Papa,我吃饱。
哦，哇，我拿到吗？
Oh, another one.
Another spot.
You go in front a bit. In front. Put under your armpit. Yeah. Real up.
Am I writing with my arm?
Hey, oh you.
The fish drop. It's okay. Let's try again.
Small one 啊。
是，因为它的肉很。
哎，OK。
这个节目
While you sea perch， 可以。Can keep。
Papa caught fish.
For the camera, right? Okay. 好了 I saw your.
less than 2 kilo.
哎，哇，老哎。
Oh yeah. Yes, I want release all.
You already release one, then they have a turn.
哎呦，
是你放掉那条吗？
不是，
不是，哦。
这个比较小哎。
Wait, can I let go?
Yes, of course.
Hey, wow, eh. How many?
Kampong.
Wait, can I release that?
哎呦，
Yes, you can.
I think you found the nest 啊。
找到它
The
的
family.
它的家。
这个跟他交上来。
Okay, who want to release?
Me, no me. This is my turn just
Yes,
now.
right. Yeah. 对啊，一定钓小鱼，他们更开心，可以一直 release。哎。
哇啦喂。
You still got fish?
I think also fish.
No.
Catfish
Look at the tuna.
is something that
Is
fishermen don't eat.
那个小心啊。
Then Mama can know how to make. Mix.
啊，那么。
Slimy 啊。
接嚟啦，餅啊，照上拍，能釣啱未釣啊？